I had to leave behind not just a home, but a fully realized professional identity. For Novartis, I was vascular surgeon, I was professor, I was dean of big medical faculty, and also my last job, I led National Organ Transplantation Program, and then the war started. It wasn't fear that I felt, it was momentum. I always tried in a challenge. The idea of starting over in a new country, new system, and using my favorite language, it didn't intimidate me, it energized me. When I came to Ireland, I had no place to live. But then I shared my story with my onboarding team. One of the members of my team reached his former colleague, and this woman opened the door of her house for me. If you can navigate personal loss, the global tragedy of your country, and still moving, still going forward, that's actually a proof that you can thrive under pressure. We are same ordinary people as you are, just a little patient sometimes and a little support, and that's enough. And that's exactly that I have here, because here people treat me not like a label, but like a person.